Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF files to the Word files. So let's get started and let's see how we can convert our PDF files to the Word files. So I have two sample PDF files here. One is a certificate. So this is a sample certificate which I want to convert to a Word file. And also I have this cv.pdf file which looks like this, which have this picture and it looks like a CV, and this I want to convert to a Word file. So we will see how we can convert this certificate PDF file and this resume PDF file to a Word file. So for that, what I need to do, I need to open my Word application. So I'm going to open Word here, and once my Word application opens, what I need to do, I just simply need to drag my PDF file to my Word application. So I will just drag this cv.pdf to my Word app, and it's going to show me this kind of message which says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like original PDF, especially if the original file contained a lot of graphics. So I will just click on OK here, which is going to start the conversion process. And now this PDF file is imported in my Word application, right? You can see the type here is still cv.pdf, right? So now here I will be able to edit the name here. For example, Tom. I can give the surname Max, and even I can change this picture also, right? So you can just use your picture which you want to use here, and then you can just save this Word document. So let's see how we can save this document. So once you're done with the editing, you can just click on File and then click on Save As, then click on PC, and then you can choose the location where you want to save your document. So I will save my document in here, and you can see the extension cv.docx file. So this will be a Word file which will be saved on your computer, and now I can see this cv.docx file, which is the Word format, right? So this is one example. Once again, I'm going to close my Word app, and then I'm going to open it again, and once again I want to drag and drop this sample certificate file. So I will just drag and drop this sample certificate file. Once again I will see the same message, and then I'm going to just click on OK. Let me just maximize it, and here I can also edit my Word document. So here I will just write code bind, and then certificate of participation. Name also I can just change it, and you can also change the date from here. Okay, now let's say for some reason you don't have the Microsoft Word on your operating system. So you don't have Word and still you want to convert your PDF files to the Word document. What you can do then, you can search online. So just open your favorite browser and search for PDF to Word, and you can see different applications which are available online which will help you to convert your PDF files to the Word document. So I will just click on the first result, which is smallpdf.com/pdf to Word, and here I will choose the file which I want to convert, and then I will just choose my PDF file, and it's going to upload this file, and then I will just click on convert to PDF. There is one more advanced option which is convert Word with OCR, which is the pro option, which I don't want to use. I just want to use the free version. So I will just select this and then click on choose option, and now once it's converted, I will just download this docx file, and let's open it to see if this looks like our original document or not. So now you can see my PDF file is converted into the docx file or Word file using this online application. So I don't even need a Word app in order to convert my PDF file to the Word file. So this is how you can convert your PDF files to the Word file very easily. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.